Today we're going to take a look at the Wildwood outdoor kitchen system. All kitchen systems start with a detailed design taken from field measurements. Once the field measurements are taken, we incorporate those into detailed blueprints. From the blueprints, we create elevation drawings and renderings. These are paramount in showing what the completed project will look like. This project was unique in that it involved incorporating existing columns into the kitchen island. Once the cladding is removed, we can install the corner pizza oven stand.
Surprise, surprise.
Corner ovens are an effective use of space. Existing site utilities had to be accounted for and incorporated into the island. Island assembly is fast and easy. It consists of various modules that ship easily and once on site, bolt together simply. All our islands are pre-wired with electrical systems. Once the island is completely assembled, we can start the backer board process. This is the underlayment that will supply the base for the tile and granite countertops. Oven installation is fast and easy. Usually performed by a masonry contractor, do-it-yourself professional, or oftentimes a homeowner. Our detailed installation instructions, online videos, make the process simple. All our ovens are manufactured with an overlapping and interlocking dome joint. This creates a positive seal. All Wildwood ovens are UL listed for safety and suitable for indoor or outdoor use. Setting the last piece of the oven dome is simple. We're going to finish it off with the sealing cap. Your oven kit contains everything you need for assembly. Mortar is rated for 2,300 degrees. Once the oven is assembled, you can start the insulation process. When insulating the oven, we supply enough insulating material to cover your oven dome 2 times. This covering provides unparalleled performance. All our ovens have the option of a gas-fired burner that can run on either LPG or natural gas. Now that the island is completed, it is ready to be site finished with granite countertops and tiled vertical surfaces. Other options include plaster, marble, concrete, whatever you could imagine. Thank you for viewing this video. For more information, click the link below or feel free to call us. We'll show you how easy it is to start the design process and get the kitchen of your dreams and enjoy your home more. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit.